Have you ever typed a long sentence into Excel, only to have it spill over into the next cell? Or worse, get cut off completely because there's data right next to it? It makes your spreadsheet look messy and unprofessional. Hi everyone. Welcome back to Blending Academy. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this problem using a feature called wrap text. Stay tuned until the end, where I'll show you how to troubleshoot common reasons why text wrapping might not be working for you. Let's dive in. Let's start with the most common way to wrap text using the Excel ribbon. This is great if you're just getting started. Step 1. Click on the cell or highlight multiple cells that contain your long text. Step 2. Go up to the Home tab on your ribbon. Look for the Alignment section. You'll see a button that says Wrap Text. It usually looks like a little arrow bending down onto a new line. Just click that button once. Excel automatically increases the row height so all your text fits neatly inside the column width. If you change the column width later, the text will readjust automatically to fit. Simple, right? Now, if you want to work faster and impress your colleagues, you need the keyboard shortcut. You don't even need to touch your mouse for this. Select your cell and press Alt, then H, then W. You don't have to hold them all down at once. Just press them in sequence. Alt, H, W. Sometimes Excel's automatic wrapping breaks the line in a weird spot. What if you want to force a new line exactly where you want it, like separating a street address from a city? This is called a manual line break or a hard return. Step 1. Double-click the cell to enter edit mode. Place your cursor exactly where you want the line to break. Step 2. On Windows, hold down Alt and press Enter. See that? You now have total control over how your data is displayed. Before you go, let's fix a common headache. Sometimes you click Wrap Text and nothing happens. Why? Here are the two most common culprits. 1. Fixed row height. If you manually dragged the row height earlier, Excel stops auto-adjusting it. To fix this, just double-click the bottom border of the row header to auto-fit it back to normal. 2. Merged cells. This is the big one. Merged cells often struggle with text wrapping. If possible, unmerge your cells, or ensure you are wrapping text before you merge them. Also, check your horizontal alignment. If it's set to fill, wrapping won't work. Switch it back to general or left alignment. And that is how you master text wrapping in Excel. Whether you use the ribbon, shortcuts, or manual breaks, your spreadsheets are going to look much cleaner from now on. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And don't forget to subscribe to Blending Academy for more straightforward tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.